were kept apart. People said they were wrong for each other. People said it would never work out. And yet, now the microwave and the pizza belong together. With Tony's Microwave Pizza. Delicious toppings on a light and crispy crust. Tony's Microwave Pizza. The pizza to fall in love with.